Supreme Court of India granted bail to Bharat Rashtriya Samiti BRS leader K. Kavita in the Delhi liquor policy scam case. The court ruled that Kavita's continued custody is not necessary. She has already spent 5 months in jail. Kavita was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on the 15th of March and later by the CBI on the 11th of April. The court said that a detailed debate on the bail should be avoided. The Supreme Court also criticized the CBI and the Enforcement Directorate for their handling of the case. As part of her bail conditions, the court required her to submit 2 bail bonds of 10 lakh rupees each and surrender her passport as well. The Supreme Court questioned the fairness of the probe agencies and said one could not pick and choose in the case of any accused. The court noted in its order that the Enforcement Directorate's claim that Kavita is the kingpin in arranging the deal between the accused Arvind Kejriwal and the South Lobby is primarily based on the statements of co-accused individuals who have been granted pardon and made approvers.
We all are very happy. The court has accepted almost all our contention and has granted us bail today. And more than that, we are happy that today the court has given a landmark judgment on the right of a woman as far as her right is concerned to attain bail, even in ED matters. The court has indicated that it will be released by 2 o'clock today.
Kavita has been released on bail. And we are also happy the Telangana Adapaduchu, after being in jail for 153 days, keeping herself away from the house and her children. Today, she has been granted bail. She is coming to her native town today or tomorrow. But we are also unhappy. Why this, our Telangana Adapaduchu Kavita, who herself says she is the champion of Telangana education, how she involved in the liquor scam and how she was put in the jail for 153 days, we are ashamed of it. Being our Telangana Adapaduchu, she is in jail for 153 days. This is very unfortunate for us.
ऑनरेबल कोर्ट ने के कविता जी को बेल दी है. बेल का मतलब केस का डिस्चार्ज होना या उनका अपराधों से मुक्त होना नहीं है. ये हमारे भारत के संविधान में दिए हुए प्रोविजन है कि ऑनरेबल कोर्ट को अगर लगे तो वो कभी भी उस स्थिति पर बेल दे सकते हैं. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि केस डिस्चार्ज हो गया. वो अभी भी दोषी हैं और जब कभी भी केस का फैसला आएगा तो उनको उसकी सजा जरूर मिलेगी.